Something that takes about 15 minutes to do. Takes these guys a half an hour. Look at them. No, Ben? No. Henry? Bossy pants? See how he says, yeah, I'm bossy pants. Guys, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Ben's trying to play, but I'm trying to
No, Ben, get down. No, you're not playing get down. Get down, please. Get down, please.
I was doing a funny trick.
Yeah, well, you know, you're lucky you're gonna fall over, bonk your head, and cry, and whine, and blah, blah. Anyway. Ben? Empty the dishwasher.
Is this silverware?
Well, it's silver, and it's ware, so...
Yes. Can you actually see? I'll put there where it goes. It goes up there. Betty, I'll hand you the plates. Oh yeah, thank you. Hand me the plate.
I don't know how I feel about having a 3-year-old handle our dishware. But, you know, whatever. Whatever. I'm filming how crazy you guys are about Bossy Pants McBossington, Henry. You got Goofball McGoofy Goof up there. You got Henry Mishmoopaboop right there. Why don't you put those cups away there, Henry? Put the cups away, Hen. Put the cups away. Put the cups away, Henry. Henry. What are they then, Smarty Pants?
Baby bottle.
I'm gonna baby bottle your butt here in a second.
I'm gonna baby bottle your whole body.
Benny, please be careful.
I can't put this away. I don't know where it goes. Cheese.
It goes behind you, buddy.
Where is it?
In the cabinet, buddy. Right there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
They don't learn the proper things if they don't do it themselves. But then again, I could get to Jupiter faster than waiting for these guys to do their job. So it's like, what do I want to do, dude? What I want to do is cut my hair off. What I want to do is take a shower. What I want to do is find something to eat for dinner. What I want to do is not have him do these bowls. Alright. Thank you. You're awesome. I love you. You got first place. You're the best thing. You're huge. Thank you. You are the sweetest in the world.
You can be my best friend all you want to.
Oh, yes. I would love to. Mwah. I would love to, you stinky head. You are funny, funny bunny. With the kisses. What did you figure out? Oh my goodness.
Are you filming that to Mom?
I'm filming it to the ethos. Can you move? I guess that does qualify as moving. I can get down with that, it's fine. Super reach, okay. Okay. Well, are you gonna get down and let me do this?
Okay.
Okay.